Start eating ashwagandha, see what happens to your body in a month. Ashwagandha is an ancient medicinal herb. It's classified as an adaptogen, meaning that it can help your body manage stress. Ashwagandha also provides numerous other benefits for your body and brain. For example, it can boost brain function, lower blood sugar and cortisol levels, and help fight symptoms of anxiety and depression. Here are 12 benefits of ashwagandha that are supported by science. 1. Is an ancient medicinal herb. Ashwagandha is a prominent herb in Indian Ayurvedic medicine and has become a popular supplement due to its health benefits. 2. Can reduce blood sugar levels. Limited evidence suggests that ashwagandha reduces blood sugar levels through its effects on insulin secretion and sensitivity. 3. Might have anti-cancer properties. Animal and test tube studies have shown that widafurin, a bioactive compound in ashwagandha, promotes the death of tumor cells and may be effective against several types of cancer. 4. Can reduce cortisol levels. Ashwagandha supplements may help lower cortisol levels in chronically stressed individuals. 5. May help reduce stress and anxiety. Ashwagandha has been shown to reduce stress and anxiety in both animal and human studies. 6. May reduce symptoms of depression. The limited research available suggests that ashwagandha may help reduce depression. 7. Can boost testosterone and increase fertility in men. Ashwagandha helps increase testosterone levels and significantly boosts sperm quality and fertility in men. 8. May increase muscle mass and strength. Ashwagandha has been shown to increase muscle mass, reduce body fat, and increase strength in men. 9. May reduce inflammation. Ashwagandha has been shown to increase natural killer cell activity and decrease markers of inflammation. 10. May lower cholesterol and triglycerides. Ashwagandha may help reduce the risk of heart disease by decreasing cholesterol and triglyceride levels. 11. May improve brain function, including memory. Ashwagandha supplements may improve brain function, memory, reaction time, and the ability to perform tasks. 12. Is safe for most people and widely available. Although ashwagandha is safe for most people, certain individuals shouldn't use it unless authorized to do so by their healthcare provider. Standardized root extract is commonly taken in 450 to 500 mg capsules once or twice per day. Ashwagandha is an ancient medicinal herb with multiple health benefits. It can reduce anxiety and stress, help fight depression, boost fertility and testosterone in men, and even boost brain function. Supplementing with ashwagandha may be an easy and effective way to improve your health and quality of life.